Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Pablo from Style Systems over here, and I'm just fucking goofing around with this pair of glasses that I got. Somebody got them for me, actually my girlfriend. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a small, very small and quick video for you guys on my YouTube, and in regards style. You know, this is gonna be the style guide for dummies, right? And as you know, if you go to stylesystems.com.mx, which, by the way, I have a new website. It's still the same address, stylesystems.com.mx, but it's all brand new, more beautiful than ever, all right? And one of my services is wardrobe analysis. This is something that you must do at least once a year, at the very least once a year, because you must declutter everything that you own in your wardrobe, because sometimes you have things over there that you don't even fucking wear. So this is going to be a style guide. I'm going to give you 3 points that you can implement right now. Point number 1, wear things that actually fit you. Have things that, first of all, you don't even use, you know, like unique items that you, especially if you're a woman, that you just you bought because you love them, but then you don't know how to combine it with, or you cannot use it with the rest of your wardrobe. It's not functional. There's some things that don't fit your proportions and your silhouette. So try on everything in your wardrobe, and when you go out shopping, you must try on everything. This is why I don't like buying things online, because you cannot try them on, and sometimes they don't fit you very well, because each and every one of us has a specific body, all right? So it's different for each and every one of us. That's why you must try it on. Sometimes you like something on the rack, but then when you try it on, it's not that good. And sometimes the opposite happens as well. Sometimes you don't like it when it's on the rack, you know, it's on the mannequin, but as you try it on, it actually looks good on you. It fits you, all right? So put on things that actually fit you. That's the rule number 1. The rule number 2, get some inspiration. Whether it is you just go window shopping, and get some sort of inspiration. You watch some sort of TV show, you buy a fucking magazine, you know, go to an art gallery. Do something that inspires you to be in touch and be in tune with beauty. You cannot expect to look phenomenal and look beautiful if you're just, you know, laying around the house, not doing much, and just out of nowhere you want inspiration to come to you and be like, oh, this is how I'm gonna do my outfit. No, you have to be out there, watch some movies at the very least, and get inspiration from everywhere and from everyone. Do not think that it is wrong that you got your inspiration simply because you saw a movie, or because you saw it on someone, or on a fucking YouTube video of anyone, you know? Inspiration may come from anyone and from everywhere. You just need to enhance your perception so you can actually see it, and then through the correct steps you can implement it into your own style. And the third rule, this is something that I enjoy saying it a lot, because I always say it on my seminars, I always say it on other videos, on my coaching program, which is the Power of Image. Every time someone asks me, how do I combine my colors? How do I mix and match my colors, all right? How do I know if this color works with that color, and I have this, how do I mix it with that, blah, 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 blah. The shortest and quickest and simplest answer that I can give you is look at nature. Walk outside right now, or look in your window, look through your window. See nature. If you follow what nature is doing, there's no way you can go wrong. When you go to the beach, you see the brown sand, then you see a little bit of like the foam that the sea is creating, you know, which is a little bit like white, or maybe grayish, whitish. Then you look at the sea, it's a tonality of blue, and then you look up and it's the blue sky. There's different tonalities of blue. Now right there, nature is giving you an outfit. It could be a khaki pants, some white button-down shirt, and then a blue or a navy blazer. That's an outfit on its own. So when you don't know, I mean, that's putting it very simple. Of course, there's a little bit more to it. There's a whole goddamn theory of color. I suggest that you go to stylesystems.com.mx and you find one of my products is called Power of Colors, where I teach you all of this and beyond, and the psychological, the emotional, the physical impact, and you're gonna learn more. You can't go wrong when you are in tune with nature, all right? So these are the 3 rules, like the style guide for dummies. This is very, very, very basic stuff and very simple, but maybe it will help you just to become a little bit more aware on how to put your outfits. And remember, you need to take care of yourself, which means you need to take care of your image, because the moment you look good, you're gonna start feeling good. When you look good and you look at yourself and you're like, damn, I look good, you're gonna start feeling good. And when you feel good, chances are you're gonna start living good as well. So it's look good, feel good, live good. Look at your wardrobe when you go shopping. Take in hand these 3 steps, these 3 rules. With that, I'm gonna leave you. I will see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and leave me your comments and your questions.